Hello, it's Friday the 21st of September and we're in the run up to tonight's £150 million EuroMillions draw, and this is the last result from Tuesday, and I got one number 10, and I had a one number up pick on number 10 and I won £10. Now this is a spreadsheet that I'm using, and let's have a look where those winning numbers were in the last draw. So you can see why I picked number 10, because it's most overdue for its frequency. And this is looking at all the draws since the star numbers went up to 12. And if we ignore the star numbers and look at the full draw history summarised on this chart, then you can see number 10 most overdue for its frequency on that chart as well. Now this month they're using machine free and set of balls free, and it'll probably be the same for the rest of the month. So if we just look at that particular machine and set of balls, then we get this chart, and you can see there's number 10 on this chart, second most overdue. So it seems like a good idea to pick number 10, and I had a strange feeling that it was going to come out, so I just put a one number up pick on that number. Now let's have a look at the current chart for the full draw history. Looking at all machines and sets of balls together, you can see number 37 is the one that is most overdue for its frequency. And the interesting thing about number 37 is, when we look at a chart for that number, this is the edge of the chart, this line that goes diagonally from top left to bottom right, and you can see 33 is outstanding, most overdue and most overdue for its frequency to occur with number 37. But also what's interesting to me is the numbers 27 and 16, both on the edge of the chart, and it just so happens that those two numbers have not come out together since draw number 12, which is a very long time ago. So that one pair of numbers is by far the most overdue pair, and so I've been putting money on 16 and 27 for quite a while, and because 37 is most outstanding on this chart at the moment, I'm going to pick 37 with 16 and 27. And let's just see where all those numbers are on this chart. See, these are the numbers that I'm picking, and this is where they are amongst the rest of the numbers. Now you can't see where they are. So quite spread out amongst those. Now let's narrow it down to machine 3, set of balls 3, and again 37 most outstanding because it's on the edge of the chart. And let's see where the other numbers are that I've picked. That's where they are. So these are the numbers that I'm picking. Now let's look at the star numbers as well. And when we look at this chart for machine 3, set of balls 3, you can see star number 5 is most outstanding. Now if we look at all machines and sets of balls and just focus on the star numbers, since they went up to 12, again number 5 most outstanding star number, most overdue, and most overdue for its frequency as well. So 5 and 37 strongest at the moment. When we look at star numbers that go well with 37, you can see again number 5. So that's why I'm picking number 5 as a star number. And when we look at a chart for star number 5, then that's where the other numbers are. Now I can't remember why I'm picking star number 2. I can't remember. But I know there is a good reason somewhere along the lines. I can't remember what it was, but anyway, that's what it looks like at the moment. Star numbers, main numbers, so if you want to pick the same numbers, that's entirely up to you. If you want to wind this video back and look at the chart for main numbers, see where they all are, that's where they are in relation to each other. That's that chart, and the chart for the star numbers, that's the chart for that. These are my numbers at the top. So there you go, good luck with that. Let me know if this video helps you to pick your numbers. Let me know if you win in the comments. And that pretty much concludes this video. So catch you in the next one. Bye for now.